Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Super Videos, and in this video I bring a fantastic WhatsApp trick for those who use WhatsApp on their phone. If you are a smartphone user, then you must be having the WhatsApp in your phone. And in WhatsApp there is a feature that you can create any group, and in group you can add anyone without their permission. But in this video I'm going to share a secret trick with you so that nobody can able to add you in their group. If they want to add you in their WhatsApp group, then they have to take your permission first. So what is the trick? How you can do that without wasting any time? Let's get started here. But before you proceed with this, I would request you, please go ahead and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon so you will not lose any video from our channel. So first of all, what exactly you need to do, you have to go to the WhatsApp, and this is my WhatsApp, and on the WhatsApp you have to go on the top of the right side on the three dots. You have to click on this one and then click on setting. When you click on setting, then there is an option coming in, it's called account. When you click on account, there is an option. First option would be privacy, then click on privacy and then scroll it down a little bit. Now there is an option coming in on the bottom, it says groups. You have to click on this one. Now you can read this one, that who can add me in the groups. There is an option of everyone, there is an option of my contacts, and nobody. So you can choose as per your preference. If you want to add only your contacts can able to add you, then you can simply click on my contacts, or you can click on nobody so that nobody can able to add you in any of the group, or everyone, like anybody can add you in any group. So once you do that, you can simply click on done, and that's it. Once you do that, you can come back and your work is done. Once you do that, no one can able to add you. They have to take your permission first, then only they can able to add you in their WhatsApp group. So this is the secret trick. You can also use it on your phone so that nobody can able to add you in any of this nonsense group. I believe you like this trick. If you still have any questions about this, simply comment below and we will get back to you. Thank you very much. Bye bye.